2015 Hyundai. Air conditioner's not cold. Got the gauges hooked to it. Got a extremely high low side. Extremely high low side and a kind of a little low high side. Cooling fans on low. That thing's pulsing. Like, I want to work, no I don't. I want to work, no I don't. So I'm going to put a control valve in this thing. It's on the bottom side of the compressor. This is a control valve. This is the part number from Hyundai. Right there in the yellow. Going to remove the Freon out of it. Get it up in the air. And take that valve out and replace it. Okay, we got this thing up in the air. But go under here. This is the passenger side, and I'm going to remove this panel right here. Just this side here. It's got 10 millimeters right there. And over here on the side, it'll have one up in here. I can get on it. Get one over here. That panel will come off. And there's the compressor. I'll do it my light. Just so here's the compressor. What's up here? There's the pulley and the belt is. If you come right along the front here, there's a wire and connector. Follow it up to that little valve. And I don't know if I can get to that. It's just got a little push type deal here on the end right here. I'm going to push that in and unplug it. And there is a snap ring in there, it's a real small one. So I'll have to get some snap ring pliers and remove that. Now make sure you remove the Freon out of the system before you do this. So when we take this off, it's going to open that system up. Alright, there is no room in here to get any tools up in here. Snap ring pliers. What I ended up doing is just getting a pick. Kind of got an angle on it. And I reached up here in one of them little eyelets in that snap ring, and I just pulled down on it like that and just worked it out. And I'll just have to try to work it back in. I'm not removing that compressor. You take you some pliers on this connector, kind of wiggle it around, get it broke loose. May have to pry it on it a little bit, maybe needle nose pliers or something. You get some needle nose. A little overkill on the needle nose, but it just pops right on out. Just like that, it's going to hit that line, ain't it? Dang it. I may have to remove that line if it want to, but it looks like it's only got a, is that a 13 millimeter? 10 or 13, I can't see real good. You have to follow it up through the top here, and you can get to it right through here. I think that's a 12 or a 13. Anyway, let's remove this line. Okay, we got that line loose. Got my new valve here. You want to put some AC oil on them O-rings on the end of that valve. Kind of look at the valve before you take it out where that connector is pointed. You know where that's plugged in at. Put it in that same way. And just try to push it in. It popped in and in. And then I'll try to get that snap ring back in place. Okay, the snap ring is back in place. Got it connector back on it, and I just installed that snap ring with this pick. Just got one end started in and pushed that other one in place, popped it in. Real easy. Now we'll let it down. I'm not going to put this panel on yet. I'll do that last. I'm going to pump it down and fill it up with Freon. Okay, I got it pumped down. Got it charged up fully full of Freon. Your amount will be on this little tag here. It's like a pound, which is 16 ounces. But now my gauges, my pressure readings, they look great. And it is blowing ice cold inside. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.